think we've struggled to get our heads around really how to build really good data-driven businesses.
Mining has a rich history in innovation of things that dig, extract and deliver minerals.
Holly Bridgewater from Unearthed Solutions.
Holly Bridgewater is doing her own mining in technology. Her exploration is leading the industry for better data-driven solutions and better returns.
Unearthed Solutions is an open innovation platform for the resources industry. So we help companies, largely operators, connect to innovators from all around the world and different industries to help them find novel solutions that could apply to the mining sector for some of the key challenges that we face.
So give me an example of that. Like, what does it actually look like in a practical sense?
Okay, so let's take an example of one of the projects that we're running at the moment is actually around how we are reducing the impact of mineral exploration. So we're running a global search for technology that can help us reduce the amount of water used in drilling, for example, or the amount of water that we use in dust suppression so that we can kind of reduce our overall impact in that space. I think that's a key part of the role we play, is that understanding the challenges that mining have and being able to communicate them effectively to people that don't know anything about that industry so they can, as you said, join the dots and say, well, actually, yeah, this is a good opportunity for my technology, and also from a commercial standpoint that it's actually a good business opportunity for them to engage with this industry.
I absolutely love that, because it's that accumulative mine. So you bring all those mines together and you run it in that sort of competition sort of sense, get more people into it, and it's a good way of actually spreading the cost base as well.
It's spreading the cost base, and it's really growing the total overall pool of people that are looking at the problem, and sharing that knowledge openly and getting a lot of people involved is a really great way to do that.
What are you seeing in the Australian sector at the moment? Like, where are you seeing that there could be more innovation, or there should be more of a focus for, as a miner myself within Australia, where should I be looking? What am I missing?
A really good question. I mean, I think the sector's really focused on decarbonisation at the moment, so you'll see a lot of the technology efforts around how do we electrify all of the things on a mine side and how do we really move towards renewables. So there's a huge effort in that. I think that all body knowledge part is something that's really we haven't got a good handle on yet, because that is the fundamental starting piece of the better you understand what's in the ground, the better decisions you're going to make across the board and what technology to use, how to actually make sure that you're confident that the decisions you're making are going to give you the lowest energy and the lowest footprint options. So I think that's the area that we really need to focus on. So
in your honest opinion, are we missing the mark anywhere? Is the mining industry in general missing the mark anywhere? You made a good comment before about sort of ore bodies and understanding the ore itself, but is there anywhere else in Australia or globally that we're just missing the point or missing anything?
I think from an innovation standpoint, I mean, mining's very good at innovating things that we can touch and feel. So we're like innovating trucks and physical things. I think we've struggled to get our heads around really how to build really good data-driven businesses. So it's a journey to go on. It's not something to be solved overnight, but I think that's what's going to be a game changer for us once we really get that, a real data-driven organisation from the ground up.
I think you've absolutely nailed that, especially for miners, right? We can knock things together and build all sorts of really innovative things, but a lot of mines actually fall over because of the data itself. Like, it's not mining efficiently, or it's not, being aware of what input is to what output.
But I think once we get that right, you're going to see a lot of other things get unlocked.
Amazing. Thank you.
Thanks.